90% of patients receive pain reduction by hip replacement surgery. Doctors at the St. Zdislava Hospital have performed 6,000 complex surgeries for 15 years. Watch an overview of top hip arthroplasty offers provided by St. Zdislava Hospital. You will learn more about programs for 1 or 2 hip joint replacements and total and partial rearthroplasty. St. Zdislava Hospital is a top center for robotic surgery in the Czech Republic. Here, patients have access to the latest generation of European implant brands Zimmer Biomet, Mathys, Lima, Johnson & Johnson. Doctors use special computer navigation to install them precisely. The hospital has an intensive care unit, laboratory, and a cardiological outpatient department to serve people with severe comorbidities and special care needs. How does hip replacement surgery proceed? First day, a clinic's representative meets you at the airport and delivers to the clinic. You undergo preoperative examination. During the second and third days, hip replacement surgery followed by stay in the intensive care unit. During the fourth and seventh days, initial rehabilitation with individual physiotherapy. During the 8th to the 20th days, intensive rehabilitation with individual physiotherapy. On the 21st day, the final survey and transfer to the airport. A special offer for hip arthroplasty includes an airport clinic airport transfer, preoperative examination, admission in a single room and 3 meals a day, endoprosthesis cup produced by Zimmer or Mathys, high molecular weight polyethylene linear by Duracell or Vitamis, and titanium stem with ceramic head. Surgery with general or combined anesthesia. Medicines, consumables, crutches, stockings, a gown, and a cosmetic kit. Orthopedic doctors' daily visits and medical supervision 24/7. Interpreting services and final survey. The cost of 1 hip joint replacement is $8,500. The cost of endoprosthesis replacement of 2 hip joints is $14,000. The cost of a revision total joint replacement is $15,000. The cost of a revision joint replacement with an implant part is $8,000. To achieve the maximum result from the implant installation, doctors recommend an additional rehabilitation course to establish the optimal range of motions and strengthen the muscle corset. The cost of a comprehensive rehabilitation program is $1,000 per week. Patients stay in single rooms of advanced comfort. They are equipped for people with reduced mobility, a multifunctional bed, a communication system with a nurse, and a barrier-free bathroom. The rooms also have a TV, Wi-Fi, a bathrobe, towels, a closet, and a corner for communicating with visitors. A patient can order meals according to an individual menu. Arrange your trip to St. Zdislava Hospital with Bookimed. Bookimed provides 24/7 support, free treatment arrangements, a personal medical coordinator, and protects your interests before, during, and after your medical trip. Bookimed collects independent patient reviews about clinics and doctors to help you get the best experience. Only a patient or an accompanying person who has booked the clinic on the Bookimed website can give feedback. Thank you for your time. We have been working since 2014, and during this period we have gained invaluable experience in solving medical issues of any complexity. Submit a request on the Bookimed website for free assistance and medical trip arrangement. A medical coordinator will study your case and contact you shortly.